Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to sew beautiful and classy boat shaped neckline. It's called Sabrina as well. I'm making it with a little variation. It make it more adopted and elegant for almost all kind of dresses. Before I start my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Now, let's get start the video. After sewed, this neckline look like this. Take a canvas and fold it in a half. And mark on 5. It is a wide and straight boat shaped neckline, but I am not making it straight. I am making it 3-inch deep. After marked, make a rectangle like this. In order to make a little variation, mark 3 inches at the bottom of this rectangle. Its width is 1 inch as well. It's a 3 inches straight line. Now make a guideline in order to draw a gentle curve for my boat shaped neckline. If you cannot make the boat curve easily, then I suggest you to use pencil. Use pencil and make a boat curve. If you make a mistake in drawing, then you can erase it from canvas easily. Draw a straight guideline where I marked on 3. Now cut it off from canvas. Now take a piece of fabric and fold it in a half and make a crease from iron. Paste this boat shaped neckline on this fabric. Now put it on this shiny side. Make sure fabric crease and center of neckline are on a straight line. Now iron it properly in order to paste it on fabric. Now it's time to cut it off from the fabric. Leave 2.5 centimeter fabric and then cut. Make a small slanted cut on both sides. Now fold the remaining fabric on canvas like that and then sew. I already cut this shirt as per my measurement. Now fold the shirt in a half and make a crease from iron. Then make a small cut on the center. Now I put this neckline onto my shirt. Then sew a straight line on the center and then sew around the neckline. It's the top stitching along the edge of canvas. So set your machine. First I sew a straight line in the center. You should keep your presser foot onto the canvas corner edge like that. Now cut the extra fabric and leave 2.5 cm. I have cut it from the center also. Now fold the boat shaped neckline to the wrong side like that. Now iron it in order to give it more clean look. Iron it right side and then wrong side. On the wrong side, I am using hand stitching, and hand stitching is good and give a nice look. After hand stitching, iron it properly on the wrong side as well as right side. On the center, you can apply any kind of button or you can leave it as it is. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family. You can visit my Facebook page also. Link is mentioned in description. Take care.